In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thread in Discord on desktop. First, open Discord in your Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Discord loads, go to the server and channel where you want to start the thread. This is important because threads can only be created in channels where you have the right permission to do so. Next, enter any channel where you have permission to create public threads. If you're not sure whether you have that permission, the easiest way to check is simply to look for the option in the message area. In many servers, permissions depend on your role, so you may be able to create threads in some channels, but not in others. Once you're inside the correct channel, move your attention down to the chat bar at the bottom of the screen. Near that message field, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the attachment and action menu. This menu gives you a few extra options related to posting and interacting in the channel. From that menu, select Create Thread. As soon as you click it, Discord will open the thread creation window or immediately start the thread, depending on the channel setup and your version of Discord. From there, you can continue the conversation in a more organized way without cluttering the main channel. Threads are especially useful when you want to discuss one topic in detail, ask follow-up questions, or keep side conversations separate from the main chat. That makes them a great tool for busy servers where multiple discussions are happening at the same time. If you don't see the Create Thread option after clicking the plus icon, it usually means one of two things. Either that channel doesn't support thread creation in the way you expect, or you don't currently have permission to create public threads there. In that case, try another channel or check with a server moderator or admin, and that's all there is to it. Open Discord in Chrome, go to a channel where you have public thread permissions, click the plus icon next to the chat bar, and choose Create Thread. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes